Hello, children. This is the last concept in this coordinate geometry, and which the last concept is area of a triangle, and I'll be doing in this video now a part of it, I think so. This is video 14, okay? Video 14. Now, area of a triangle, of course, you know the formula. Uh, in other this one we use the formula half base into height, and you have learnt in last year's ninth standard portion, you have learnt Heron's formula to find the area of a triangle. But now by Heron, when the coordinates are given, you are going to find the area of a triangle. So suppose the coordinates of a triangle are given to you, how to find its area, we are going to learn it in this video and in this last concept. So coordinates of a triangle ABC, coordinates of a triangle of vertices of triangle ABC. Say A is equal to, A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 and C is x3 y3. Okay, so when they are the coordinates of this one, the triangle, when we take in the coordinate axis, then say, let us say this is A x1 y1 and here comes B x2 y2 and here comes, say, C x3 y3. Now if you join this, you will get a triangle. Now if you want to find the area of this triangle, there are some steps for this, but we are not going to do all those things. I'll just explain, that's all. See, when A is x1 y1, you are going to drop a perpendicular. You know that we draw perpendiculars from A, B, C in order to denote those coordinates, distance and all. When we see, then only it will be easy. So we are going to draw perpendiculars AP, BQ and CR. And now I am just telling you this one, that's all, how they find the area of this triangle ABC. How they do is, area of trapezium ABQP, they'll take area of trapezium ABQP plus the area of trapezium ACRP or APCR, then minus the area of the trapezium. Now here it may look like a rectangle for you, it is a trapezium, but it may be a trapezium, okay. So the area BQRC, its area has to be minused from the sum of the areas of these two trapeziums. So ABQP, area of ABQP plus area APRC minus area of trapezium BQRC. They will do that and then find the area of triangle ABC. So when you do all this, there are lots of steps and all will come there. So what we do is, we are just going to give you the formula. I am going to give you the formula, and the formula is, see, area of triangle ABC is equal to half. You have to remember this formula and then do the sums now further. So x1, see, very interesting formula it is, but only thing is you have to practice it by writing, then only you will remember it. X1, I'll tell you the hint and all how it has to be done. Now x1, now see, I'll just write here 1, 2, 3 so that it comes in cyclic order. Now x1, here y will come here now, y2 minus y3. See what is the meaning, one I am telling you. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, and then it will come, see how does it come. Now x1, if it is x1, no, then the coordinates of y will be y2 minus y3. Plus next I will take 2, x2. So if it is x2, then next will be for y, no, it will come y3 minus y1 plus now x3 will come, x3 if it comes, then these two will be there, will be the numbers for y, that means y1 minus y2. So this 1 2 3 comes in cyclic order, it comes in an order. So this is the formula of area of triangle ABC. How they calculate the area of the triangle and they get this, I just now told you. But I am not going to do all that. This is enough for you. If you learn the formula, that's more than enough. So, by doing all that, no, they get this formula. So, how to remember? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half. Half will come there. Half. Then in the bracket, you start x1. Then in the big bracket, that is small bracket, now y2 minus y3. If you write like this, it will be easy. Now when you take x1, then 2 and 3 you have to write. When you write x2, 3 and 1 you have to write. 3 and 1. It has to go in order, cyclic order. Then x3 means 1 and 2 will come. 1 and 2 will come, like that. So that way you have to remember this formula. So x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 bracket y1 minus y2. So if you understand the knack of it, how it comes, then you can remember very well. So this is the formula, and now we are going to do the sums. So now see example in your textbook, example 11. So example 11. Okay. Now what they have asked you, there are some peculiar sums here also. There are some special sums only. When you do the exercise, you will be able to do. Find the area of a triangle. Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1 minus 1, then minus 4 6, and minus 3 minus 5. Now see, when you remember this formula, you should know, you should write this x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. You better to write like this below them, or upwards you can write, or downwards you can write like this, so that you can observe this and substitute in the formula. Now see area, you have to write the formula first. You have to, when they ask you, when they give you the question like this, you have to write the formula. So formula of area of triangle. Now let us say this is A, this is B, this is C, or P, Q, R, whatever it is. Formula of area of triangle, I will write here half bracket x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Square units you will get finally. So this is equal to, see now what I am going to do, half. Okay, x1 is 1 bracket y2, so 6, minus y3, minus of minus 5. You have to be very careful with the signs. 3 is y3 here. Then plus x2 is what, minus 4 in the bracket, minus 5, minus of minus 1, yes, plus x3 is minus 3 bracket y1 is minus 1 minus 6, and then you can see whether you have written correctly. Just check it out. When you go proceed further, you should check once. So x1 is 1 bracket y2 is 6 minus of y3 is minus 5 plus minus 4 is x2 bracket y2 minus y3. So y2 minus y3 minus 5 y2 I should see here. See y2 minus y3. 1 minute. So y2 minus y3 I have written here. Now y3 minus y1. So y3 is minus 5 minus of minus 1. It is better if it comes below that only. I have taken little this side, so I find little difficult, I think. x3 is minus 3 and y1 is minus 1 and y2 is minus 6. Okay. Now half. Let me see the timings because I had to explain all those things. So time is 11 minutes. Okay. 1 bracket 6 plus 5 plus minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 plus of minus 3 into minus 7. Okay. Now half bracket 1 into 11 plus of this is minus 4 into minus 4 it is plus 16 and plus 21. This is equal to half into 11 plus 16 plus 21. So how much it is? 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So into 8. Okay, 6 1 7 1 8. And 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay. Now half into 48. This is equal to half into 24. Sorry, you just cancel this, you'll get 24 square units. So this is the answer, and how we use the formula, I hope you have understood. Okay children, so area, this is the last concept of our coordinate geometry, and area of a triangle when its vertices are given, we found the area, and there are different type of problems now, and how we are going to do, you will see now. And you should write this half when you are calculating area. You must not forget this half. This half should come half into 48 we do, and that is 24 square units. So finished, that is over. And let me see the timings. Timing is 13.09. Okay, I think I will stop, because if I take the next problem also, it will be incomplete afterwards. So better I'll take it in the next video. Okay, so let me stop it now.